Wake up with wires in my veins, plastic prayers and coffee stains. They teach us silence like it's grace, but I bite back with broken faith. God is trending pains and style. They sell us fear with a plastic smile. I lit a match in a mirrored room and dance with shadows dressed as truth. No, I won't bleach my soul for them. I'll well on rage like oxygen. I bloom in dirt, I choke in light. Born from noise, not built for life. They want clean skin and want scars. They build cages, I burn stars. Yeah, I bloom in dirt, that's who we are. I talk to ghosts in neon bars. They quote Bukowski, bleeding cars. Truth is punk, it don't behave. It sleeps in gutters, not in graves. No, I won't trade my fire for calm. I play my pain like a stolen drum. I bloom in dirt, I spit in light. Fell hard, with teeth that bite. They create control, I play the fall. I'm not their echo on the wall. Yeah, I bloom in dirt, my fire for harm. Hear the scream, feel the glitch. Breathe the static, break the pitch. Don't you fake a softer shade. You're more alive when you're unmade. I bloom in dirt, I bloom in screams. I'm not their